Who's the birthday boy?
Me.
How old are you today?
9.
Styling. My kids have their own style. They dress themselves. How cute. Are you ready to have some fun? Ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
100?
Yes.
Okay.
21, H&M, Prada.
Okay.
These were yours, I think.
Yes.
She just gives me all her old shoes. I have her old Balenciagas, her old Jordans.
Yeah.
She gives me the shoes she doesn't want anymore.
Aren't you lucky?
Yes.
You get designer shoes?
Yes.
From your mom?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, he wanted to wear these shoes. I didn't think they match, but we're going to go with the flow because one thing about Liam, he's going to get his way. You ready?
Always.
Oh, okay.
Collect cards for super bonus.
Nice.
Please swipe the card.
What do you want to play? You want to play this game? You gotta go sit in it. Look, this way. Go around. Go around. Hop in there. Alright, I'm gonna scan it for you. Okay, push the button. Okay, press start. Right there. Okay, here you go. You don't gotta hold it no more. Now put your hand right there. Gotta get all the money. Kill a zombie. Get him. Get him. Get all of them. Get him. Get him. Pay attention. Pay attention. Get him. Gotta get them all. Okay. Okay. Get him. Okay, we got the young bull over here, the birthday boy. What happened? Come on. Shoot again. Let me see. You got another shot. Let's go. Taking too long. Shoot it. Let's go. You can't get it? Alright, you gotta go to the shorter one. Come on. Come right here. You got your card? Alright, put it in there. Turn it around. You wanna go? Push the button. Mammy, you wanna go again? Okay, let me see you get a shot. Come on, too high. You're shooting too high. Let's go. You're pushing too high, Sky. Push forward. There you go. Do it again. Okay. There you go. Come on, push it. Push. You only got 30 seconds, bro. You gotta go fast. Push. Come on, push. Make one. Okay, there you go. Let's go. Make another one. Okay, let's go. Come on, keep going. Come on, 14 seconds. Yes, baby. Come on, Sky, push. You gotta push. 7. Get another one. 6. Come on. 5. Hurry up. 4. Hurry up. 3. 2. Shoot again. Ah, you.
Mom, I want you.
All right, he wants you, baby. Come on, he wants you. Here you go.
Go. Go, go, go. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Shoot him. You gotta shoot, Liam. Shoot, Liam. Shoot. Shoot him. Shoot him, Liam.
Splash Circuit, the curve course, is an especially important short course. Finally, the highly anticipated race will begin.
Yes.
Are you gonna win? Miss Casey. Are you gonna win?
We'll try.
Are you gonna win today? Alright.
Go, Landy. Oh, he's going right down the middle.
Oh, you're good. Oh, buddy, you're good.
Yes, Landy.
Oh wait, the camera's really pretty. Look at the baby. This camera is really, really pretty and it has a really good tone.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Skyler. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now?
Yeah.
How old are you now?
9.
Happy birthday to you. Yay! Look at those.
Liam! It's not your birthday! Liam!
Party tomorrow.
Morning, happy Friday. We are in the line of Dunkin' Donuts. Our typical Friday. I am actually going to be dropping the kids off at school. But before we do, we are getting some Dunkin'. I have some things on my to-do list today. Yesterday was a great day. Skyler had a lot of fun. Where are you, Sky?
He's there. He's somewhere over there. There he
Was your
is.
birthday fun?
Yes.
Skyler had a lot of fun. We cannot wait till tomorrow, though. We cannot wait till tomorrow, though. And the comment.
Lemmy, my birthday is not for like another 5 months. You can calm down.
The commentary in the back. Lammy is not a morning person. I don't think the screen is working again. You have to be kidding me.
Oh no.
Is it on?
I thought it was. It was on 2 seconds ago.
I don't
This
think
Dunkin'
you were
was
looking
just
right.
built too.
I know, that is so weird. Anyways, the screen is not on at Dunkin'. It wasn't on last Friday either. I don't know what is going on. They should have fixed that by now because this is a new Dunkin'. So weird. And it's so weird ordering when there is no screen because we don't know what to order. Anyways, I'm getting ready to drop off the kids at school, and then I have a meeting for 9:30. Is it 9:30 or 9 o'clock? I think it's 9 o'clock, but it's at the same coffee shop that I went to yesterday. I have to meet the person there. I'll catch up with you guys in a little while. I am back from running all of the errands, and I apologize. I have left you guys in the car literally all day. The meeting was super successful. I was able to meet with the person I wanted to meet this morning and go over a few things. So that's that. Then I headed over to Target, and I was talking to my husband. We were talking about something, and I forgot the camera in the car. And again, I went into Ulta because it's in the same plaza, and I forgot the camera in the car. I'm gonna show you guys what I ended up getting from Ulta. I also went into Marshall's really quick, and I have some things from Target too that I picked up. So I'm gonna show you guys that. So from Target, I ended up picking up this vase, and I am going to be putting fresh flowers here. I'm super excited because the weather is warming up. It's warming up and it's getting nice and warm here. And this vase was $15. They have a larger one, but I didn't want to go for the larger one just because I learned my lesson with other vase, and because of the fact like the stems of the flower were not going to be too big for the larger one. But they do have a larger one. I believe the larger one is $30. I also picked up this rug for my bathroom. We already have another rug that I ended up getting from Amazon, but we needed a backup one, so I found this one at Target. I believe it's new. It's from the Threshold collection, and I love it. I love the little like French details. Super cute. I also needed a backup shower curtain, so I went for this one, the Threshold one, and it's just a plain white shower curtain. When you have kids, they tend not to care and get stuff all over like your shower curtains and things like that, so I really needed a backup one. Then from Marshall's, I got this lavender and sage bath salts. This is actually going to go in my bathroom. I'm going to put it in like a clear glass container. I was looking for the wood little spoolies to like scoop it up, but I couldn't find them. I saw them a few months back at the Home Sense, but I couldn't find them this time. So I'm just going to throw them in a clear glass container. I'll show you guys that once I put it all together. And lastly, from Marshall's, I picked up some bath bombs, and these are also going to be going in a glass container, and they're just going to be sitting in my bathroom. These smell so good. Coconut cream. I know the two combined are going to make the bathroom smell so good. From Ulta, I haven't bought makeup in a while, so I wanted to go ahead and pick up some things. I ran out of some things, so some things are back up. I also wanted to test out some other products that I have been wanting to test out for a while. Let me show you guys that. First things first, I got the Fenty Beauty powder in the color Honey, and I have the Laura Mercier one, but I have been wanting to try this one for a little while now, so I picked this one up. Grabbed two of my favorite eyebrow pencils, and these are in the color Brunette, and these are by NYX Beauty. Grabbed a new foundation, and this is by NARS, and this is the first time I actually buy a NARS foundation, and this is in the color Morea. And I went ahead and I color matched myself. I have heard great things about NARS foundation, so I'm really excited to try it out. I picked up a setting spray from Morphe, and this is the Continuous Setting Mist. This is actually one of my favorite mascaras. It's by Essence, and it's only, I think, like $5. And it makes your lashes just look so voluminous and just so full. I love this, and I really needed a backup. I also picked up a gloss from Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color Lemon Lava. I went ahead and picked up a new moisturizer, and this is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial cream. So I needed some concealer and I went for the Shape Tape this time. I got them in the color medium tan and then tan sand. And as a free gift for buying like $35 worth of Fenty Beauty, they gave me a lipstick or lip gloss, one of the two, and this is in Hot Cherry.
Bye.
1, 2, 3, surprise.
No way.
You like it? Look at it, turn around.
Come on, man. Come here.
Your cake is not here yet. The lady's bringing it soon, okay?
This is what we have for Skyler. Guys,
Okay.
guys want a party done? Come see the Jordan.
Mommy, is people gonna come?
Yes.
Yes.
I
people are
know.
gonna come.
Because last night people didn't
This
come.
is your
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah, ayy, and pay me what I'm owed, yeah, 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 yeah. All this money on me, yeah, yeah. Cash rolls all around me, yeah, yeah. All this money around me, yeah, yeah. Cash rolls all around me, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hello. Do you guys want to wish Skyler a special happy birthday?
Happy birthday, Skyler. We love you so much. Happy 9 years old birthday.
Yay, go
Sky!
Space Jam.
Happy birthday.
Nena y Papa. ¿Qué quieres decirle a Skyler? por
Mi
su
amor, happy
cumpleaños?
birthday, que Dios te bendiga y te dé muchos, muchos años de vida, hijo. Te amo mucho.
Hi.
Hi.
Special message for Skyler on his birthday.
Happy birthday. I love you. Happy birthday, my sweet little brother. I hope you have a good year. And try not to annoy me too much.
Message for your nephew on his birthday.
I wish him the best.
You
Wish
gotta
him happy
say 5
birthday.
minutes, okay?
I wish him a good year in school, though. It's important. And hopefully he gets all the presents that he's wishing for. Right?
My brother. Skyler.
Que yo le deseo mucha felicidad, mi nieto querido, que Dios me lo haga un hombre de bien en el mañana, que lo haga un profesional y que me lo cuide y me lo bendiga siempre, hoy, mañana y siempre. Abuela lo ama mucho.
Amén. What do you want to tell your brother for his birthday?
Happy birthday.
That's your special message?
Yeah.
I have to say that I remember when you were my baby. And now you're not a baby anymore, you're a big boy. And I noticed that you took up my attitude. Yes. And I'm not happy about it. But I love you. How many years is it now?
9.
Happy 9th birthday.
Oh my gosh. You don't even know how old your nephew is.
No, I lost track after about 2 or 3.
I am done.
What's your name, young fella?
Kendall.
Kendall what?
Hurst.
Kendall Hurst. And are you great?
Yes.
Yes, you are. What's your name, young fella?
Keanu Hurst.
Keanu who?
Hurst.
Oh, yeah. Now, are you great?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What's your name, young fella?
Skyler.
And what's your day today?
My birthday.
That's right. And are you great?
Yes.
Hell yeah. We greats in here. Let's go. What you got? Oh, okay. Next. Let's go. Who's going next? Let me see. You got to do something fancy. Oh, you're going to break the rim, boy. You going to... Okay, what you got, baby? Let me see it spin around. Okay. Oh! Okay, what we got? Oh! Okay. Let's go. One more time. Let's go, Scott. Aw, come on.
Hold on, one more time.
Let's go.
Hey.
Okay. What you got? Oh! One more time. Let's go. Oh! One more. And we out of here.
My son's birthday. I love you so much, son. Can I cry right now?
No, not today. Tomorrow.
Today is your day, son. You are a great young man, and I see a bright future for you. Everything you do, all you gotta do is keep pushing, stay consistent, dedication, and the world is yours. We rich. Look, Looney Tunes. It's his birthday today.
Toon Squad.
Toon Squad. Yeah.
That's right.
Squad forever.
Toon Squad forever.
Fire, 5 bucks.
Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday. Oh, we don't know you. Happy birthday.